Another amount of scholars, they say, a student of knowledge, if he's not good and he's not doing good and he's 7 days. Every 7 days he should what? Finish the Quran. So and he does it according to the way that the Sahabas used to do it. Sahabas used to do it every 7 days. So they would take 3 surahs. There's difference of opinion on whether they would add Fatiha into those 3 surahs. So they would start from Baqarah, Ali Imran, Surah An-Nisa, that's 3. Some scholars, they say Fatiha is also in there. So if it's Baqarah, it's Fatiha, Baqarah, and Ali Imran. Whether you add Fatiha to it or not, your 𝗔𝗯𝗱𝗃 will become either Hujurat or Surah Qaf. And then the 𝗔𝗯𝗱𝗃 would be on the 7th day, you start from Surah Al-Hujurat, based on whether you took Fatiha in or out, or Qaf, whether you put Fatiha in or not. And then that's the last, on the 7th day, that's what you would do. In our culture, in the Somali culture, they call it Jalad, meaning that people come together and they finish the Quran every 7 days. Even better than that, if you want to be consistent of bringing back the Quran fast and quick, is that the person starts from Surah Al-Baqarah or Surah Al-Fatiha, and they take it to the ayah 𝗦𝗵ici𝗺𝗂𝗱 in Surah At-Tawbah. That's 10 juz. From 𝗦𝗵ici𝗺𝗂𝗱 to 𝗓𝗪𝗂𝗂𝗍𝗂𝗂𝗍 to Surah An-Naml, that's another 10 juz. And then 𝗓𝗪𝗂𝗂𝗍𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗍 to Surah An-Nas, that's another 10 juz. Every 3 days a person finishes the Quran. Every juz will take you 25 minutes, 30 minutes max. So how many hours are you going to sit every day if you do 10 juz? 4 to 5 hours taqreeban, give or take. Sah, brothers. Can you not do, so 24 hours, can you not give Allah 5 hours? Yeah? Of course the qira'ah is going to be hadar. Of course you're going to go according to that speed, and then you're going to finish in 4 to 5 hours. It doesn't all have to be one sit. You can separate that 5 hours in the whole day. Does that make sense, brothers? If you do that for 5 years, every 3 days you finish the Quran, your hifz of the Quran will be what? It'll be very solid. Very, very what? Strong.